Hey guys, day 4 here in Florida. No racing at the Freedom Factory today. So later on they got a drift night, but for the Ranger Danger 9000, we're done for today. Tomorrow is the big race. So we figured pack up and hang out at the beach for a little bit, get some sun, get some sunburn, and then we're going over to the Freedom Factory for the drift night as a spectator. So we're gonna vlog a little bit about out here on the beach, see some family fun and some sun. Alright guys, we're back at the Freedom Factory just to hang out, watch some drift cars, do some networking here.
Get sunburn.
More sunburn.
Kind of fire the sleeves off the old Freedom Construction shirt. Check out some of these drift cars that they got going on here. Some legit drift guys here. And they can adjust their suspension for racing out there. We can't.
George. Oh, he's teching. George is tech.
LS George is tech. Just checking to see if everybody's got LSs. If they don't, they fail tech.
I think we're gonna head up front and
grab ourselves a Freedom Special.
yeah, get a Freedom Special. What is it? 2 hot dogs
And a Mountain Dew. $5, I think.
Hell yeah,
Brother.
I think we need to move to Florida. We'll move to Florida and start up a garage just fixing air conditioning.
Yeah, we're gonna have an air conditioning service in Florida because every car you drive by, they have their windows up with the AC on.
My have something to do with it. It's fucking 95 degrees out and it's
9 million
noon.
fucking degrees. There's Mullet up there. Check out that drifting. Peep the 3rd gen. You gotta do a slow drive-by for the 3rd gen because 3rd gens are fucking badass. 3rd gen life. 3rd gens. I got a soft spot in my heart. All right, we're gonna park the golf and cart. Go in and get some merch and get some lunch. Love the spray paint job though. Glistens in the sun. Must not be a Florida car. They got rust on it.
Probably drove from New York to buy it. Bring it back to Florida.
Drove to New York to buy a pre-patina car. We're just gonna sneak. We're just gonna sneak through here with a golf cart. We're incognito. It's a fresh looking Toyota. Must be a TRD car. Golf. I'm assuming this is golf cart parking.
I guess so. Right here, golf cart parking.
Boop. We got big mud tires. We're gonna park in the grass. Mall crawling.
Hi, how's it going?
It's going.
Living the Florida dream, apparently.
Right?
We're all the way from New York, so.
Nice.
Oh, now that's
Yeah,
the
so it's cool out right now.
No.
No.
It's 55 home, and we got acclimated to 55. We come down here, crack at 8 o'clock in the morning. It's 80 degrees out.
Yes,
Yep.
it
A
is.
little warm for us.
Are you guys on the other side?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Yep.
Come on in.
Very much.
We should know you by name at this
You
point.
should. Kidding. Probably can't stamp that one.
I don't know, maybe I can. Have a good
We're
one.
gonna see if we can win. Well, I told Garrett, I said, you gotta step up your game. He ran 7th yesterday.
Oh.
7th
dang.
fastest Garrett ran.
Well, why don't you try beating him at the tree right now?
Oh, we'll do
At the
that.
dirt
I could
trail.
probably do that.
Get him there.
Thanks. How's Alan today?
Man, I'm great. Nice to see you
You
guys.
as well.
How are you?
I have a
We got an old
request.
cleater on the practice
I
tree over
just
there.
said I had a request from Maddie to beat Cleater.
Yeah, you just gotta get in line. That's the only trouble. But
We're gonna get
You're here
ourselves a
early.
Freedom Special first, though, because we're starting to get a little famished.
so, did you guys get in the swimming pool last night?
We got in the swimming pool last night.
And we went to the beach this
Went to
morning.
the beach this morning. So we get back to. We just got back. First thing my old man does, back in the pool. He goes.
See that?
He goes. I'm not going
Florida
back.
life.
I'm not going back to drift night. He goes. I'm staying here in the pool with the grandkids.
And you guys have a blast.
All right, sounds good.
We're gonna.
Long night. We'll be going for a while. Track's hot
I
at
can't.
6 today.
I can't wait until it starts cooling down.
Oh, I know.
Pretty hot.
Well, right when that sun starts dipping down, which is about 6,
Yeah.
it cools down a lot.
Huh? I know him. Wonder why you got the lights out.
Alright guys, you're gonna see a little bit of practice going on. This guy's name is Reese. He's 14 years old. Vaughn introduced us to him and he's just out here doing some early practice before we start drifting tonight. Thank you guys for coming. Hang out. We got a couple hours till the show starts.
That's just sick.
I think it's a
APCO radiator. Just having $5,000 worth of APCO coilovers went up. Same fan shroud you put in the Ranger.
Hey, you got a GoPro mount ring.
Oh, okay, that's hot. know in the sun, you're like, damn, I need it. Alright, cool. What's up, man? Picture?
Long giraffe arms.
Hey, thanks for having the freedom construction.
We should
Two. That's two in a row. Look at that.
Throwing your phone, dude.
Two freedom construction
I know.
shirts. I had to rip the sleeves off though.
Yeah, I know.
Also, Maddie called me out for you on the tree when we were walking in.
On it right now. Come on.
I can't believe I got called out. You doing some more practice or?
Alright, since you're starting before me in the race, if I win, I get your starting position.
Excuse me.
So you hold it, stage, let off when you see the 3 yellow.
XL drip.
Ooh! Be quicker than that.
Oh, I was wow.
Real slow.
Ooh, red
You got
light.
lucky, you did double
Dude,
up.
that was close.
Alright.
I was still
That's it,
sleeping.
dude. Championship. Get him out of there.
Wow.
Yeah, back.
Sorry. I'll have it on me. This is not my music. Sony, do not report us. No, I'm just kidding.
We already said that. We're good. We do not own the rights to this music.
We do not own it.
Maddie owns the
Neither does-
music.
No, Maddie does not. But seriously, James is not here.
Okay.
His wife's birthday is today. 30th birthday. Yeah, so that's
Okay.
exciting. But it's got to be after.
Okay. 555. That's what I have in mind.
Yeah, because there was one dude he had wide slits on. I was like,
Gary took a picture of me, showed me. The biggest fucking gap in the tread was that
Well,
big.
that's what we did when we were talking about it. We were like, well, we know the Nittos, that's what he runs, so let's put them
That's
on
what's on all
there.
the Tom
and it
Hanks.
was all the fast guys too running those.
Yeah.
So I was like, we'll see. It's gonna be interesting.
My biggest thing is staying in the sun. I'm going to stay big at.
And they're
That was used.
that one's no good. That's a little low. Yeah, it's don't. It hasn't aired it up yet. Do you just tighten them down or you torque them?
Hey, is that accurate?
Well, which side did he take? Okay. I got one.
I gotta get a shop with a bunch of spare tires and wheels.
we're good. They're only on for such a short period. I hold. I'd set that at like 22.
Oh, we were just standing here watching drifting. We looked over and we see Cletus working on his own car, trying to change some tires with no help. So we ran over, changed some tires on Donnie.
We changed some tires and helped him out. Get it back out there on a brand new set of dittos.
Is he gonna drift or just burn it?
He did, but in the previous run, I felt like he was far away.
Frank's gonna be pissed that he stole your car.
Well, I thought he was.
We're gonna go down and see Cooper, see if we can maybe help him figure out what his issue is.
Need a hand?
I think it's good.
Not steering very well out there.
No, it seems like it's hard. It seems like it's getting stuck at full lock.
Yeah. When you were doing the donuts out there, it seemed to be working.
Yeah, and then when I try to like actually
It
go,
just skids forward.
I was like, I need to do donuts to see what it feels
Right.
like, because I've literally driven the car like a minute, and it's just so hard to get like some seat time out on the pad.
Yeah.
Almost. I thought the throttle was sticking or something.
Yeah, when you came across the first time
No,
you
it's
came
just like
across.
I'm full steer and it's going straight.
Right.
I don't know, it's weird.
What do you got?
One of my
Sounds like a caster issue.
What do you got? A locker in the rear, or what do you got in the rear?
it's welded.
Huh? A welded?
I'm gonna have one of these other 240 guys drive in and see what they say.
What do you got for air pressure in the front?
In the front? I don't know, up into the front. Probably check. Yeah, like the front was just doing nothing and the rear was just pushing it.
Pushing it, yeah. I'd say it's a caster problem.
I'm gonna have one of these other guys drive and see what they say.
All right, well, good luck out there.